Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Epic Games Launcher on your Windows 11 computer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial, and I'm going to type in Epic Games Launcher. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be epicgames.com. Download the Epic Games Launcher. Go ahead and open that up, and then select the Download Epic Games Launcher. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run the file. And you can close out of the web browser this time. Select Install. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Go ahead and select Yes. Alright, to this point you go ahead and sign in with your Epic account and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.